Dear viewers, welcome to Padhali Arena. Today we are going to see about Tata Sky mobile app. We will walk you through the demonstration. In your Android mobile, you will have Google Play Store and search for Tata Sky mobile app. Even if you search Tata Sky, it will automatically show. So in your screen you see that app. You proceed with install. It will get downloaded. It is roughly a 20 MB file. In all Android mobile phones it will be working. We are showing you a live demo, and as you see in all the application, you have to accept the terms and conditions. Once you accept it, it will show you a welcome screen, and then it will ask for your identification. If you are a first time user, it will ask you for this access. If you already have an existing customer, you can provide your ID, and if you are a first time user, it will ask you for an OTP from the registered mobile number. Once you input that, it will ask you for languages where you can choose as you like. Here you can do all you want to do with your Tata Sky connection, like package modifications, service complaints, your warranty status, and all other offers available from the Tata Sky. Let us see one by one. Main option, which is used by all the people, which is nothing but recharging for the monthly rental. Here you can do it through online, and there are all the options available for recharge. Like, it will show you different options. You can use debit card, credit card, net banking, or all payment applications. You can do for a month, 1 month, or 6 months, and 1 year. And if you do it through this app, you will be given several offers, which will be given directly from the company to yourself. And the next one is the package modification or additional of channel. Here you can see we have, for example, we have selected a standard customer ID where there are 4 connections in a single ID. Here you can see the packs you have subscribed and the option to choose the channels you want. We'll see how to do that. Here you can see as per genre or as per the broadcasters wise. You can choose as you like, or you can choose an individual channel also. Here it will show you all the options. You can also choose regional wise. Here you will have all the languages. In each and every subtype, you can see what are all the channels available in that pack. And if you have a multi-TV connection, you can choose different packs for different connections. You can choose a different thing for a primary and a different thing for the secondary boxes also. Each package will be shown with the price. You can choose as you like. Now the next option is about upgradation of box. If you have a standard box, you can upgrade to a high definition box or an Android box or the latest Tata Sky 4K Android Binge box. You just choose the option, and customer care people from Tata Sky Service Center will get in touch with you immediately. You just have to press your option, that's all. If you want an additional connection, in this account there have already been 4 boxes. So if you want an additional box, you can just raise a request. And for all your service queries, you just have to raise the request through the mobile app. You can see your details, You can also update your profile details like address, mobile number. There is another option available with Tata Sky, which is nothing but called as a live TV, where you can watch the satellite channels on your mobile. The subscribed channels particularly, you can see live channels as you watch in satellite TV. And also there are several shows available in the Tata Sky library where you can see last 7 days programs, all things you can watch. You can see on demand. You can subscribe to movies when you have time and interest. You can subscribe to a particular movie and see on your own leisure time. They are all called as video on demand, VOD services. For the recording box users, where you can record it through your mobile app, even if you are outside your home, you can, if the box is in standby mode, you can remotely record the serials or any special shows you would like to watch. We have just addressed the common queries. If you have any further queries or suggestions, you can get in touch with us and we are ready to help you address your concerns. Thank you.